Hello everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare channel. Today we're going to discuss how to use Tenorshare 4uKey to remove your Apple ID without password. Let's get started. First, you'll need to connect your iPhone to the computer. If the Trust this computer prompt appears, make sure to tap Trust. Next, launch 4uKey and select Remove Apple ID. Then, click Start to remove. 4uKey will detect your device and provide the latest iOS firmware for download. Once the firmware is downloaded, click Start to remove. Make sure your iPhone is set up with a 6-digit passcode and two-factor authentication is enabled. After confirming, the Apple ID removal process will begin. This process will take about 10 minutes, so please be patient. Once the Apple ID removal is complete, 4uKey will guide you through the following steps. You will need to reset your iPhone. When you encounter the iPhone lock to owner screen, select Unlock with passcode and use device passcode. Then, enter your iPhone passcode to complete the activation. Great. Continue with the iPhone setup. Now you can use your iPhone again and log in with a new Apple ID in settings. And that's how you use Tenorshare 4uKey to remove an Apple ID. You can find the download link in the video description. Tenorshare 4uKey is dedicated to solving password issues for iPhone, iPad, and iPod devices, making it easier for you to regain access to your device. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.